video was not made by Lenovo. It's a concept render video made by YouTuber Waqar Khan, who we have...
Hi everyone, welcome back. So after a year of leaks and rumor about Motorola Razr flip phone 2019, so yeah, it's look like the company is finally ready to show off its most innovative smartphone of 2019. So yeah, company has sent out invitation to an event on November 13 in Los Angeles, where it promised the high anticipated unveiling of a reinvented icon. So if that not make you think of something razor shaped, then it gets clear with this teaser, which is captured by CNET. I will show a device being folding and unfold. You are going to flip, the text says. So this might be definitely next Motorola Razr 2019, a foldable phone from Motorola. I really like the design. I really love how this smartphone works. I personally want to buy this smartphone, no matter what the price it is. But yeah, if we look at the teaser, there is a hinge part of the smartphone which can be rotate or fold the smartphone from inner side. While rumor price have all been on the high end with $1,500 US. But yeah, if we look at the specification of the device, it supports Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor, which is used on Nokia 8.1 and Oppo RX 17 Pro. To give you some idea what they mean for the performance, backed by 4GB and 6GB RAM and 2730 mAh battery. So yeah, these are just rumor of course, and Motorola could yet surprise us on the day on 13/11/2019 when Motorola Razr foldable phone unveiled on this stage. So yeah, that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Tell me your thought on Motorola Razr return. That's all guys. Hope you like this video. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.